tree roots messing up your hardscape or even your house? That can be a total pain, but there are ways to deal with it before things get out of hand. So, first off, if you notice roots creeping under your driveway or patio, you want to act fast. Installing root barriers is a smart move. These are like underground dividers that stop roots from spreading into places they shouldn't. When you do this, make sure the barrier is deep enough and runs along the side where the roots are coming from. If roots have already started causing damage, pruning them carefully is key. But don't just hack away yourself. Get a pro to do it because cutting roots wrong can hurt the tree or make the problem worse. Also, think about what kind of tree you're planting near your hardscape in the future. Some trees have aggressive roots that spread fast, so picking ones with less invasive roots can save you trouble later. Keep your soil moist but not soaked, so roots don't grow out searching for water under your concrete. Regularly check around your hardscape for signs of root growth like cracks or uneven spots. And if you're building new stuff near trees, consult an expert first to plan around root systems. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with roots and hardscapes is ignoring early signs of root damage, which just lets the problem get worse over time. Fixing it involves inspecting your hardscape regularly and addressing small cracks immediately. Another common issue is trying to prune tree roots on your own without knowing what you're doing. This can seriously harm the tree or make roots grow even more aggressively. The fix is to hire a professional arborist who knows how to prune safely. Lastly, many folks plant trees too close to structures without considering root growth patterns, leading to major damage down the line. A good way to avoid this is to research tree species and their root behavior before planting and give them plenty of space. BigHomeProjects.com is like your go-to spot for finding trustworthy local contractors who actually know their stuff about things like root barriers and landscaping fixes. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to get more work, it hooks you up with homeowners who need your skills right in your area.